Welcome guys to this new video. Um, Here we are trying to create a platform just from scratch actually. It's about Instagram selling accounts. So it's just like it has some easy features like maybe posting accounts with names, locations, descriptions as well. So we can do that actually using Laravel and Vue.js. We have here Vue.js already. We're going to create a new project and we will call it, of course, something like this. It's Insta store. We're going to open up the CMD window, and it's before that, honestly, we're going to open a like the direction you want your project to be installed in. For me, I want it to be over here. I will close this, the first, of course, CMD, sorry. And then I will type here CMD. We're going to write npm create view and then latest. So as of course the documentation is saying to us. So this is the command that you need, guys. You can just copy it and use it. Let's hit enter. And then we are waiting for this. You can just type yes. And then here you can call it Insta store. We're using like selecting features here. It will of course include our, just hit space, of course, to use the features. We will use this router, by the way. We won't use TypeScript, JSX as well. We don't need it actually. Pina, we don't need it in this project. We're only using a manual files here in Vitest, and all of this just let it as it is. Just click enter. And then for experimental features, we don't need them, I believe. Experimental. Here, skip all example code and start with a blank Vue project. We're gonna do kind of, let's just say now, and then let's enter the project and npm install. You can type install like this or just I. So we're going to type it just to install the dependencies or the packages need for the projects. We're going probably to use the GitHub in this project, so we need it just to maybe it. We're going to make a new repository here. We call it like Insta store. Description will be about like platform or so. IG accounts. Here it will be public. This just keep it public. Probably we will maybe separate the front from the back. So we will say here it's a front end, which is the view. You can click create repository and they will just create it like that. It's back to the CMD here. And then let's try to open up this over the VS Code like this. It will open like this. You can just go over source and you will see here about some just new stuff. You can open new control or terminal, sorry. By that, I open it, and let's just type npm run div, hits this one control and open localhost. Here we have our Vue project. We're back to Vue or VS Code, and then what we're going to do is just to clean up this messy, or this, of course, UI. So we were going to remove the home view. We don't need it. Remove the about as well. Let's remove this one. And we're going to remove as well over here. As you can see, we have this. So we're going to just remove this. Let's say just remove this and then comment this. On the index.js, if you're back here, you will see that we are importing home, which is not exist anymore. Let's remove it as well. Back here, we still have this logo and this links. We're going to remove these components as well. We don't need them. Back to the app, of course, which is the one that we will let, of course, to use. So let's remove these ones. Back, as you can see, so we have an empty page over here. Next step is to make a new Laravel project. So to do that, we should go over Laragon. You can install Laragon this version specifically, better for performance and features that don't need any, of course, VIP subscription. So you can start from here. You can hit the start. They will start the service, and then you can make new Laravel project by just selecting quick app here over here, and then you can hit the Laravel, and then you can type the name of the project, which is, for our case, is Laravel, or sorry, is Insta store dash, we'll call it probably front end. Oh, we will just keep it like this. Or maybe let's say backend. Let's just hit the OK. And we will wait it until it's done. After installation is completed, now you can move to the Laravel project. So we can just only type code or code then dots. It will open up on our VS Code. Open new terminal. Actually, we have here the routes, the web, and the API as well. So maybe the crucial part for us is api.php, because we're using it with Vue, which is the front end. To see our Laravel running, we need to just type it through the browser, and then type insta store dash backends test, which will of course open our Laravel project. You can as well just go for it from here, from Laragon. So you can open up www and then just click here, which is insta store dash backend, which is our Laravel project. On the next videos, we will of course cover how we will use GitHub and of course commit our files, and just set up the rest of the tools and the packages that we will use, of course, on our projects. Thank you so much for watching. See you next videos.